We found the cheapest, quickest solution. If you can identify these two symptoms within your fridge, you'll definitely know that this will fix your problem. So if the fridge light is coming on, the fridge is not cooling. Step 1, unplug the fridge. Now, after you do that, what you're going to want to do is pull out the fridge. After you pull out the fridge, you're going to want to open the back panel. You're going to locate the inverter board. You will pull out the fuse. You can pull out the fuse with some tweezers, or you can pop it out with a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Look at it, check to see what voltage it is. Then take it to the electronics store or your hardware parts store and get a replacement for it. Should cost less than $1. This will work on most new fridges.